we're going to be talking to you guys about Business 101. So the first key in my business where I buy and resell is starting low and working your way high. So keeping your margins in what you're buying low and selling your products high. So today I went to GameStop and I sold 3 black wireless Xbox 360 controllers for $21 in cash. Now you may be saying, but Luca, that's not a lot of money. Well, it really isn't, honestly. You can get like $10 a controller if you put it on the private online, but it's really gonna sit for a long time. You're gonna get anywhere really between $10 to $30 a controller. But I bought these in Middletown last week when I was selling an Xbox 360 console. So I happened to be in the area, so I picked them up and I was bringing it to GameStop because that day it was at $9.60 cash. So if I sold the to GameStop that day, I would have got $7.80 more than $21. But when I got to GameStop, I went to the cashier register. They were charging me $7. It would give me in cash. And honestly, I wasn't pleased at that time, so I took my product and walked out of the store. My profit, if I did it, wasn't there at all. So just thought about it. Then today, I brought it back to GameStop, sold it to $21, got for it in cash, but I spent $20 on it. So because I didn't get my $9.60 in cash, I lost $7.80 in profit. That's a big loss to me with my business. Man, now I can't really go out and buy like extra games or like a console. I'm just like stuck with like a single dollar. But it's not even really profit, that dollar, because I have to count for all my time traveling to and from the locations. So I'm happy I sold it, but like not happy for the price. But I just wanted to get it gone quick. Only had it for a week.